I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone for an Android VM. First, make sure your device is 64-bit and has at least 3 GB of RAM. This enables smooth emulation. Once done, free 36 GB of storage and charge above 50% to avoid power interruptions while installing. Next, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or APK installer so the VM app can be sideloaded. Download and install the VM Environment app. This creates the isolated Android layer that will host Google Play. You now create the virtual device and provide it with Google services. Open the VM app, tap Create New and choose the Android image matching your G-Apps package. Accuracy matters because mismatches break Play Store. Once the VM image builds, side-load the correct G-Apps APK or zip into the virtual storage, then install it inside the VM. Make sure to enable root only if the VM requires it, and grant VM app all requested permissions so Google Play can register and run properly. You finish by launching Google Play inside the virtual device and signing in with your Google account. This registers the VM with Google services. Next, install the apps you need, adjust sync and notification settings, and confirm the VM has adequate storage allocated. If Play Store crashes or shows authentication errors, force stop and clear app data inside the VM, then reboot the virtual image. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the exact G-Apps build that matches the VM Android version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.